Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Thursday, the 21st of March 2024, so the first day of spring. Okay, let's have a look at yesterday evening's announcements and start off with the main headline news of the semiconductor surge, volatility crumbles and the bulls charge. So obviously what Powell said was dovish, Fed remains on hold, but dots reveal hawkish bias. The dots plots are where the sort of future prediction of where interest rates are likely to be. So they're proposing, or the dots are indicating that there are 3 cuts in 2024, but 2025 and beyond, all higher rates, which is rather intriguing to say the least. So dovish Powell destroys hawkish dots and sends stocks, gold and cryptos soaring, and stocks close record high on dovish Fed news. Also we saw the S&P, the Dax and the Dow make new all-time highs as well. And just also to let you know, if you don't already know, that UK inflation fell yesterday more than expected, official data shows, but you're probably aware of that one. But that was yesterday morning when I was recording the alert. Right, let's move on, have a look at the markets. Big move yesterday after with the press conference, and see what they're doing overnight as well as yesterday evening. Starting off in the Dow, this is the monthly chart. You can see the market moving there. 39,285 was taken out. 40,000 beckons. I've been talking about this for an awful long time. We're not that far off it. Where are we currently trading? 39,646. As the market continues to plough ahead. It was just all kicked off at 6:30, which you can see there. Let's have a look, see how many points were actually made after Powell spoke. So let's start here up to the close, and we're looking at 440 plus. So it won't take a lot over a few days to move the market up to that 40,000 level. Like I say, I've spoken about that for a long time. Market obviously predictable there, up and up very strongly as well, already above yesterday's high. If the market comes back, we want to see it hold yesterday's high. In the German DAX, let's also have a look at the monthly chart. 18,207, 19,000 is the next upside target. Well, let's go with 500. Let's make it a bit easier there. 18,500, no end in sight at the moment of the markets having even a correction, let alone coming down. And the daily chart there yesterday, you can see a big strong move, taking out the resistance to the left, 18,207. And then in the 30-minute chart, it was all about Powell. You can see the market just screaming to the upside there. Got 100, 200 points there, above the high of yesterday as well. So again, this will need to be support if the market pulls back. S&P 500, again, let's start off with the monthly chart. New all-time high, 5248. And then the daily chart, so you can see the market breaking through the 5187 of yesterday. 30-minute chart just looks like the Dow as well. Huge move to the upside. FT 100 also breaking out of the sideways move. Remember we spoke about this the other day where you got this down move there, and then prices potentially breaking to the upside, which they did. And then in the FT 100, prices down and then sideways for the afternoon session. 6:30 press conference, market up and still above the high. Still got potential for support there if the market pulls back as well. Meanwhile, in the US dollar, you can see their market down sharply, obviously because of his dovish stance yesterday. So let's have a look at the impact on gold and silver. So a positive impact on the metals yesterday. This is a big surprise for me. I thought that they've used the news to slam the price of silver, but it looks like maybe what's being said out there about the shortage of silver is starting to actually come through, and we're starting to see this market move higher. For me, as I keep saying, it's got to break through the 2020 high of $29 and something, I think it was. Let's just have a quick look in the monthly charts, and I'll give you the number. I don't think we actually got to $30. Oh, we did. Yeah, it was 30.70. That's right. Yeah, before the CTFC chappie who runs it, I can't think of his name, something Bennett, came out and said we have the tools to tamp down the price, and then they did, as can be seen there, sending it back down to $18. So, yeah, unless it breaks 30, I'm not convinced whatsoever. And then I won't be convinced till it breaks 50, which was the 1979 high and the 2011 high as well. In the 30-minute chart, you can see they're exploding higher after Powell. And in the gold market, new all-time high as well. What's that number? It's 222, quadruple 264. So that's excellent to see. That is dragging silver up, but it's just ridiculous to see the gold-silver ratio difference on this. It's just insane. But there you go. It is what it is. There's the daily chart for the market breaking out yesterday. It's also sideways at the moment, but it's not above yesterday's high yet. So it did obviously have some acceleration to the upside, which is not being seen overnight going anywhere near there. But the market's still above the close, and all of the averages are in alignment there. So again, we'll just see what happens during today. Right, so have a quick look at the gold-silver ratio. And in the gold-silver ratio, down yesterday, but back up on the overnight. So gold holding stronger than the silver is what that's showing at the moment. Be no surprise there. Like I say, when they do get around to hammering silver, you will be surprised at how quickly they'll send it down as well. So just be warned of that future event, because that's what they like to do. I don't know why, but they do. So we'll just have to wait and see, won't we? Right, let's have a look at yesterday's market action. Not a lot to report. There were no trades yesterday for the obvious reasons. The market's waiting for the Fed, but nonetheless, we'll still have a quick look and then have a look at the overnight 2-minute chart, see where it's currently trading. So yesterday, the market up. We had the inflation numbers from the UK, which came out better than forecast. This allowed the pre-market to move up, but it didn't actually go to the high of the day before, which was Tuesday. Market down to the DP, and like I say, it's just sideways, stuck in a range for the morning, and then through to the afternoon, just the same. Market range bound, and then that's where we cut off. And then you can see overnight that the market just moved vertical along with the Dow. So there we go. Quick look overnight, see if the market's holding. And in the 2-minute chart, we're above the high, which you can see there. We've got the 200 MA if we do get a bit of a pullback. And if we break this, we have got the high, the close, and a psychological level there as well to hold the market. So an important area just here. Right, that's it for this one. Let's see what happens during today. See what the follow-through could be from Powell's statement last night. And with that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.